Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you a tested and proven experiment of how I increase my pepper yield. Though experimenting several methods, these are my two favorites in pollinating my flowers. So let's jump right into the video. So my first method 1, is using a Q-tip. So upon identifying the flower that you want to pollinate, you're going to use your Q-tip and gently brush that flower so the pollen will be trapped onto that Q-tip. You will then move on to the next flower and do the same thing. So you will actually do a number of flowers in the process so that actually you can increase your yield in your pepper production. I want to tell you, since implementing this method along with frequent watering, it actually reduces my flower dropping and for the most part increase my pepper production. Every single flower that I have pollinated thus far has produced fruit. I have done it to the Scotch bonnet pepper and it has produced a ton of fruits. So I have no fear in recommending this method, and there's no doubt that it will work. It has worked for me, and I know it will also work for you if it is done correctly. So for persons out there who feel that trying this method will actually cause blighting, I can guarantee you it won't. This will actually speed up the fruit formation and hence enhance the fruit production. Point to note, this technique is not unique to peppers only, but it can be applied to any of your flowering plants. So guys, if you're getting value from this content so far, smash the like button, drop a comment in the comment section and consider subscribing if you have not yet done so. So with that out the way, let's jump straight into method 2. This technique is equally effective as the one I've shown you earlier. This is achieved by simply tapping at the branch where there is an open flower ready to be pollinated. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few so you can actually see how it is done. Okay, so there you have it. You can actually try this on your own. Start pollinating your own flower. Shaking the branches help with pollination as well. So you're actually going to be using 2 fingers, the index and the big finger, to grip the branch and give it a shake, like so. This actually works, trust me. It's just as when the wind is blowing and ruffling the branches of your plants. So if you look closer, you'll see that this plant is flowering nicely. Underneath that canopy there, look closely, you'll see fruit production. See how green and bushy this plant is. Nice thick foliage. I only use fertilizer that I produce here at home. I make my own fertilizer and this is what I apply to all my plants to give it that rich look. If you notice, there is a lot more flowering taking place. I use banana peel fertilizer on this plant twice per month. I also have a video on how I made that banana peel fertilizer, so you can check out that video. So you have made it this far. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Peace.